Hello friends, welcome to estimation costing training program. Today we learn how to use polyline for takeoff area and perimeter. This is a 2 BHK floor plan. All dimensions are in meter. Go to home. This is a polyline. Before mark a polyline, go to layer of properties. Create a new layer. Give the room name. Select the name. Give the color. Now select the polyline. Now we have to give here the width to the polyline because it is not visible. Now type W, enter. This drawing is in meter, then means we give the width to the polyline is the 50 mm. In meter is 0.05. Type 0.05, enter again 0.05, enter. This is a visible width of a polyline. Now mark all corner of rooms. Last point is close. Type C and enter. Now select polyline. Type LI. LI means list command. Now here we get it area and perimeter. Similarly prepare the all rooms area and perimeter, and you get it carpet area also. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.